Hi, my name is Sumer Singh. I'm a cricket coach at Empower Cricket Academy. Now in my today's video, I'm going to talk about something which is very important for every cricketer to understand. What is the importance of fitness in modern cricket? Right? So when we talk of fitness, there are so many different parameters in fitness. But I will talk specifically about stability and balance. Now when you say stability and balance, which I've explained you in my previous video as well. So how can you work on your stability and balance as a batsman, bowler, keeper, and it helps you in fielding as well. All different skills involved in cricket. So how can you work on these parameters, stability and balance, in static and in dynamic situation? Now today I am in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I am at Uttambar Yoga Institute and I will take help of Yoga Guru Karan Singh, who will show us different asanas, ways to work out which can enhance your stability and balance. So I will like to invite Yoga Guru Karan Singh. Sir, please join us.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi friends, my name is Yoga Guru Karan Singh and I will give you some tips for the exercise, how to improve your fitness.
Okay, right. So as I have discussed with Yoga Guru Karan Singh, he will show us 5 workouts which is related to the upper body and 5 workouts related to the lower body in regard to stability and balance. So let's watch these workouts very carefully. Each workout will have 2 segments, one a basic segment and second an advanced segment. So try and understand and then try and do these workouts, and I'm sure they will be very helpful to you. Now as a thumb rule, before starting any physical activity, you need to warm your body up through some dynamic stretches. So Yoga Guru Karan Singh Ji will show us some dynamic stretches which you need to do before you start your workouts. So sir, can we please have a look at few dynamic workouts? Watch these warm-up workouts very carefully. How to physically prepare your body and mind to avoid injuries. These stretches are from head to toe and they are dynamic. They alarm your mind to make the body ready for some physical activity. Watch it very carefully. That's one. Let's look at the second one now. Watch the body posture very carefully. every single muscle is activated through these dynamic warm-up workouts. That's two. And now let's watch the third one. Watch these dynamic warm-up workouts very carefully. Breathe in and breathe out is very important. This is the fourth dynamic stretch. After doing these dynamic stretching, the body gets ready for the workout. Each and every muscle, starting from the bigger muscles to the smaller muscles, right down from the ground, from the toe to the head, are stretched properly. And that's how you prepare your mind and body ready for your workouts. Doing it properly, doing it perfectly is very important. You need to do these workouts on the terrace, in the balcony, or in the garden where there is fresh air flow. Right. So I'm sure you must have seen how you have to prepare your body and mind before you start your workouts. And this was dynamic stretching for you. Okay, let's watch the upper body. First workout, the basic version. Watch the movement very carefully. And now let's have a look at the advanced version. Watch the body posture, the balance and stability. Upper body workout 1. You can do this as per your capacity. Now let's have a look at the second upper body workout for stability and balance. So we'll first see the simple version, the basic version. Watch the posture very carefully. Now, if you cannot do this to start with, you can take help of a small piece of string to develop this. And slowly, by doing this, you can make your way to the basic posture shown to you to start with. So no equipments needed, just a mat, piece of string, and the workout can start. Right? So now let's go into the advanced version of workout 2. This is the advanced version. Watch these workouts very carefully. So these were the simple and advanced version of workout 2. Now let's have a look at the third workout for upper body. We'll first have a look at the basic version. Watch the body posture very carefully. The body needs to be stable and balanced. Breathe in and breathe out has to be synchronized with your workout. This is the basic version, and now we look at the advanced version of this. We'll have a look from two angles. So for the front angle first, watch very carefully. Brilliant, sir. Can we have a side view, please? Balance and stability. Thank you. So this was the third workout for upper body stability and balance. Now let's watch the fourth workout of the upper body balance and stability, the basic version first. Sir. Look at the body posture. We are watching the basic version of fourth workout, upper body stability and balance. Now this was the basic, and now let's watch the advanced version of this fourth workout. Watch it very carefully. Great. And this was the fourth workout. Now let's watch the fifth and the last workout for stability and balance of the upper body. Before we start this, I will like to remind you, please watch these workouts very carefully and do it as per your capacity. Right? So let's watch the basic version first. Sir. Doing it properly is the key. Holding it and moving it in sequence is very important. So this was the basic, and now let's watch the last fifth advanced workout. So 2 times in one direction and then 2 times in the opposite direction is one set, and that's how you have to do it. So that was brilliant. 5 workouts related to upper body. I will insist, please build on this and do as per the capacity of your body. Now let's get into the lower body. So we'll watch 5 yoga related workouts to build your stability and balance of the lower body. We'll start the first one with the basic version first. Watch it very carefully, sir. Watch the posture and the movements. Great. And now let's watch the advanced version of the first lower body workout. Watch it very carefully, going in opposite direction. Great. So this was the basic and the advanced version of first lower body workout through yoga. Okay, now let's watch the second workout of lower body, the basic version first. Sir, watch it very carefully. This is the basic. This is on one side, and now we balance it and do it on the other side. Stability and balance of the lower body workout 2 basic version. Right? Now let's watch the advanced version of this workout 2. Holding it properly, breathing properly, stability and balance in static and dynamic positions. Working out on both sides of the body is very important. Watch it very carefully. So this was the second workout, basic and advanced. Now let's watch the third lower body workout, the basic version first. Sir. Watch the body posture very carefully. Stability and balance. Okay, now we go into the advanced version of the third workout. Watch it very carefully. Great. So this was the basic and advanced version of third workout. Now let's watch the fourth lower body workout, the basic version first. Sir, watch the body posture very carefully. Weight on the balls of feet almost going towards the toe. Stability and balance. And now we watch the advanced version of workout 4. Brilliant, sir. Can we have a different angle, sir, please, from the other leg? Brilliant, sir. Let's watch the fifth and the last workout of lower body. We will see the basic version first. Sir, watch it very carefully. Body postures are very important. And now we watch the advanced version of the last lower body stability and balance workout. We have to activate both sides of the body. So whenever you are working out, make sure you work on the both sides of the body. And after finishing your workout, a little stretch is very important, just like we started with our dynamic warm-up. And now it is static warm down, cool down. Very important to avoid any kind of injuries. I hope you must have enjoyed this upper body and lower body stability and balance workouts shared by Yog Guru Karan Singh Ji from Uttambar Yoga Institute, Jodhpur. Before doing your cool down, Sir suggested that he wants to share one last workout where lower body and upper body coordination required for stability and balance both can be done together. So that's a small surprise for all of us. Sir, can we have a look? Watch it very carefully. Upper body and lower body together. Stability and balance. That's really great, sir. As suggested by sir, please do these workouts with your physical ability and capacity and increase the holding to get better results when you are doing these workouts. Now we can see the sir is about to finish the complete session. We would like to thank him once again. On behalf of Empower Cricket Academy, I would like to thank Uttambar Yoga Institute and Yog Guru Karan Singh for all his valuable time and brilliant workouts shared with us. Guys, I'm sure these workouts, upper body and lower body, for your stability and balance in static and dynamic will help you a lot to grow physically and will help you to perform better. So I would like to invite sir. Sir, please join me. And sir, thank you for your time. Guys, we would like to wish you all the very best.